Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. This is Harmonix and I make videos about photography, but today it's going to be slightly different. I've been invited by the iStore, the one in Sandton, to preview one of their latest editions, which is the iPhone 12, and I'm really looking forward to this. Yes, we're gonna be in one of these sweet babies flying over Johannesburg, and I will be here taking you guys through it. I hope you guys enjoy this episode, and if you don't see me talking as much, it means I'm enjoying myself. So yeah, let's have a good one. Say hi everyone.
Hello.
Is going to be flying us. We're going to take off from here and we'll go straight towards Sandton. We'll do a low fly past over the iStore, and then yeah, and then we're going to go look at Lesego's mansion, which is in Sandhurst, with one of those massive places with swimming pools and rolling gardens, and you know that big mansion. You know,
Yes, yeah, the big one.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. That's Lesego's house.
Okay. Yeah, I've always wondered.
Yeah. LVH. The whole house says LVH.
I'll have a good look.
Stylish. Coconut kills. Only one.
He knows, he's been my pilot for the last 10 years. Hi, babe.
Obviously.
Good to see you again.
Okay, so that's what, guys. Let's rock and roll. We are about to take off. Let's do this.
From the sky. Black Tony Stark coming to save the world.
there you have it, guys. That was my first time shooting the iPhone 12 Pro. I really hope you enjoyed the content that you just saw. And it was also my first time on a helicopter, and it was nothing short of amazing, you know. But before I love you and leave you, I just wanted to add two things that really impressed me on this iPhone 12 Pro. And one has to be the camera. It's a definite step up from the previous generation. And number two, it's the stabilization. The stabilization on this camera is out of this world. I didn't add any further stabilization to the footage. So the footage is really what you get out of the camera. So that's just my quick impressions of the iPhone 12 Pro. And before I love you and leave you, I just want to say thank you to the iStore, the one in Sandton Drive in particular. Thank you so much, guys, for inviting me. And until the next episode, this is Harmonics signing out. Peace.